Welcome back, friends, to episode 2 of our travel series Meghalaya Offbeat Travel, a series of journey to the unseen destinations of Meghalaya. In this episode, our road trip was to a picturesque high-altitude grassland named as Mawphanlur. Situated in the West Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya, Mawphanlur is 73 kilometers away from Shillong. Driving across the hills, the lush green landscape, the winding roads, we stopped for breakfast at Mairang, the headquarters of Eastern West Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya, a district created recently. Mairang itself is another beautiful place to visit. It is known for some of the waterfalls, Kudoi Falls being one of the popular ones. However, we did not visit any of the waterfalls here. We had breakfast at one of the eating joint and proceeded towards our further journey. This road runs through the National Highway 44E. It connects Upper Shillong to Nongstoin at an approximate distance of about 85 kilometers. The road condition when we undertook this journey was fairly in good condition, except for some potholes here and there, which is being maintained regularly by the concerned department. There were several villages we crossed by. We traveled via villages like Binther, Langtor, Kinshi, and finally took a diversion towards Markasa Village to reach our destination, Mawphanlur. At the entrance, we paid an entry fee of ₹100 and drove our vehicle right inside this beautiful place and parked at the parking facility available there. We considered ourselves a little bit unlucky as the skies above was overcast and it eventually started drizzling. A thick fog came down and it did affect the visibility of this picturesque grassland. Nevertheless, nothing can be taken away from this countryside getaway place. What we witnessed was truly the beauty of nature. The lush green hills, the grassland beneath, and the beautiful lakes far across was a pleasing sight to the eyes. This visit can be taken as a day road trip, but one can also spend the night over on the accommodations available there. These accommodations are run by the Mawphanlur Integrated Cooperative Society. Also, one can indulge themselves in various activities at this place like boating, kayaking and others. This place is also a favorite picnic spot for several others. These tin roof huts and houses that you see below is the Markasa market. These shops are open only on market days, and such market are open only once a week. With this, we have come to the end of yet another episode of Meghalaya Offbeat Travel. Please like, share and subscribe. The channel will grow. See you soon and thanks for watching.